Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to invite or add people to your Jira space. If you don't know yet, Jira is a work management tools that lets you have a space so you can manage all your tasks, all your details and more. So first you can go to your Jira dashboard. After you log in, you can go to your left side of your screen and then as you can see there is this space. This is my space. And first you can choose the space you want to add people. Let's say I'm gonna add or invite people to this space, HR tracking. I'm gonna click three dots here. And then as you can see, there is option to add people. You can click it. So you can input the email of the people, or you can also add them from Google, Slack, or Microsoft. And then you can choose the role. So there are three roles you can choose. There is administrator, member, and viewer. So let's say you're gonna add member, you can just click member. Oops. And then after that, you can just click add. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.